So I'm going to try out this hazelnut flavouring and put it in some brownies. It kind of looks like Nutella, but a bit runnier maybe. It doesn't really have any instructions. It's just got the ingredients in different languages. Oh, it does say how to use. Oh, ignore me. So it says 120 grams of paste into a kilogram of dough. So I'm going to work that out, but I'm probably not going to, and I'm just going to put a teaspoon in and hope for the best. So I've started my brownie batter. This is before adding flour, or cocoa powder. So I'm just going to add 2 spoons of this, 2 tablespoons, because it kind of just tastes like Nutella. And then I'm going to add my flour. So here's the brownie batter. I've then just baked this as per my brownie instructions and cut this into brownie squares. Here's the final piece. It did taste like hazelnut, but it wasn't overpowering. So probably read the instructions or add in like an extra couple of tablespoons.